Hello and welcome to this short video showing how you can get more from your computer. Here at Simple to Learn, it is our overriding passion to provide simple to follow, step-by-step tutorials designed for the complete beginner. We cover all aspects, so even if you're completely new to computers, we will show you everything you need to know. And what's more, the tutorials for graphic design for beginners use the free to download Page Plus Starter Edition software from Serif. Okay, so now let's take a look at the software in operation. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Serif Page Plus Starter Edition. The first thing you'll be presented with is this dialog box where you can select a new publication, choose the page size you want. We're just going to stick with the standard A4 page size, select OK, and there you have it. An A4 page on your desktop ready to use. Now at this stage I don't want you to get overwhelmed by the number of buttons, functions and controls that you've got around the outside of the screen. We will only use these on a strictly need to know basis, so we'll only cover them as and when you need to use them. So for example, on this short video all we're going to use is 4 buttons down the side, and we're going to use this swatches palette over here. And I think you'll be amazed that just using those 4 buttons what you can achieve. So to start with, one of the main elements you're going to want in any design is to get some text on the page. So here we have 2 ways of doing this. We can use the standard text frame, and you'll see that the little fly, when you hover over these buttons you get a little fly out to tell you what they actually do. And we have an artistic text tool. We're going to start with the standard text frame, so we just click on that, and over here you can just drag your cursor wherever you want it and place a text frame on your page. I've got some text copied, so I'm just going to paste that in there. You can just type that in directly, and then we can just size that frame to whatever we want it to be. You can move that text frame anywhere on the page you wish. We'll just park it up there for now. And then we're now going to take a look at the artistic text tool. So again, you just click on that, drag out the size that you want the text to appear. Again, I'm going to paste my text in there. Now the difference with this one is that when you open these nodes up, you'll see that the text actually moves and shapes with it. So you can use this to create some fairly unusual and fancy text if you so wish. So there we have it, 2 ways of getting text on the page. Now the other element you're going to use frequently with any design is objects and shapes. So with Serif, again, you have this tool down here called a Quick Shapes. Now in there you've got lots and lots of different shapes. On this one we'll try a star, and you'll see if we just drag that onto the page, there you have a star already on the page. But the interesting thing is that you've got these little nodes around the side, and if you move those you can create some really interesting shapes just using those nodes. So as you can see, that's quite a powerful tool just to create your shapes. So again, you can move these around the page anywhere you want. We'll park that one up there, and the final thing that you're going to want to get on the page is images and pictures. So over here again we have a picture flyout tool. We're going to select the rectangular picture frame. Again, we just drag out on the page. You can move that wherever you want it again, size to whatever size you want. When you've got it where you want it, you can just replace that picture, select one from your hard drive, and there you have an image on your page. You can use these buttons to zoom in and out, crop it, rotate it, and you've also got the option up here to lighten it, darken it, increase the contrast, and quite a lot of other fancy things. So when you've got your images on there, you've also got a way of editing them to a certain degree. So there we have, we've just using 4 buttons down the side, you've got text, objects and images on the page very, very simply. Now I said we was going to use this swatches panel over here, so again if we click there we have the fill option there. We'll just fill that with whatever color we want, and if you select the line you can colour the line to whatever colour you want. So again, it's very easy and very powerful, and you can do that exactly the same with the text. We just select the text there and change the colour of the text. So there you have, very quickly, text, images, objects of varying shapes on your page, and you could create some very interesting designs just using those 4 buttons and the swatches panel. So just imagine the endless possibilities once you get familiar with the full functionality of the program. We hope you found this short video useful, and as a thank you for subscribing to our channel, we are offering the graphic design for beginners at the reduced price of just £20. This is over 50% discount on the retail price. So whether you run a business, a club or a society, or just want a new hobby, you will find this very rewarding as you learn a new skill, and save yourself money in the bargain from paying graphic designers to do this work for you. And to claim your discount, just go to the www.simpletolearn.com website and follow the how to purchase video, and then at the checkout enter code LL, that's Lima 62013. Thank you for watching.